what's up? Welcome to my channel Journal by Katha, and I'm Katha. So today I'm gonna show you how you can paint on your handmade paper. So I have made this kind of handmade paper during the last year lockdown. So I made this by using scrap papers that I had. So today I'll be showing how I paint acrylic roses. It's very easy, I know. Without wasting any more time, let's start the paint. So these are my handmade pages. I have made few more paintings earlier. So here it is, a Van Gogh painting, a famous wave, and some flowers on green background. So now let's start, and I'm taking a very pinkish shade paper, and this is red color from acrylic paint from Camlin. So I'm mixing red color with some water and yellow, just a mix and match tone. So if you want to know how I made this DIY handmade paper, so please let me know that if I should do a video on this or not. And yeah, this is how I start painting. So I am taking red, white, water, yellow, everything in a proper way. So keep watching. Now I'm adding some white color to give it a highlight. So another thing is, do not use much water because this paper is not so strong because it is handmade paper. I'm painting some loose petals because I think it is aesthetic. And finally start painting some leaves around these, the whole roses. There are so many roses. So start painting some leaves and then it will be done. So yes, this is it for today, and if you like my video, if you like my painting, then do let me know in the comment section, and like this video, share this with your friends, and if you like my content, then do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.